So our topic here in this pre-recorded lesson is about Program Development Lifecycle or the PDLC. So ano nga ba ang PDLC? So when we want to develop a program using any programming language, sakop dito yung computerized system which is offline siya, pwedeng online using web development tools and mobile development as well. So here, we also follow a sequence of steps. These steps are called phases in program development. The PDLC is a set of steps or phases that are used to develop a program in any programming language. So, not just in developing system tayo nagre-rely sa kada phases kung maiisip natin. For an instance, paano ba tayo magluto ng isang putahe? So, babawa natin yung halimbawa natin. Halimbawa, magluluto tayo ng piniritong itlog or sunny side up or estrellado. Siyempre, may susundin din tayong steps or phases para maluto natin ng tama yung sunny side up. Hindi naman pwedeng ganito or labo-labo tulad nito. Una, basagin ang itlog. Pangalawa, ilagay sa kawali. Lagyan ng asin. Buhayin ang kalan. Buhayin ang deposito or yung gas. Lagyan ng mantika. At lutuin. So, hindi ganun. Again, series of phases or steps. So, dapat maayos yung pagkaka-execute niya from step 1 or first phase papunta dun sa pinakang final product or final output. No? So, PDLC generally contains 6 phases. So, ito yung mga yun. So, first, we have the problem definition, followed by problem analysis, algorithm development, coding and documentation, testing and debugging, and finally, the most crucial after implementation ng system, the maintenance. So, isa-isay natin siya sa future slides natin. So, punta tayo sa unang phase. In this phase, we define the problem statement and we decide the boundaries of the problem in this phase. We need to understand the problem statement, which is our requirements or what is our requirement, what should be the output of the problem solution. These are defined in this first phase of the PDLC. Now, in case of yung tinatawag na requirement, ito yung demand nung client na tinatawag natin. Sino ba ang client? Client ay yung potential na magpapagawa ng system sa atin as developers. Whether tayo ay individual developer or may kasama tayo sa pagde-develop ng system or the development team per se. Okay? So again, kailangan intindi, unawa, at alam natin ang sakop ng problema. Meron kasing naibibigay na problem ang client na hindi kayang solusyonan ng system alone. Kaya dapat well-defined lahat ng potential na request or requests ng client natin para makapag-design tayo at ma-analyze natin kung ano yung gagawin natin sa susunod na phases. So here, in analysis or problem analysis, we determine the requirements like variables, functions, etc. to solve the problem. That means, we gather the required resources to solve the problem defined in the problem definition phase. We also determine the bounds of the solution. Again, as we have stated earlier, not all problems can be solved using a system or software solution. Kung may problem ang isang company, for an instance, hindi capable makapagtrabaho ng mabilis yung kanilang empleyado at ini-voice out nila yun sa system developer na kukunin nila, kung maganda ang magiging functionality ng system at sila ang gagamit na nirereklamo nila, so para saan yung software solution? Again, hindi siya sakop ng development lifecycle or bilang tayo na magiging future developer nila sa request nilang software solution. So may mga ganong instances or problems na again, hindi natin dapat binibigyang pansin, bagkus kung ano yung mga demand nila sa mismong functions or flows ng kanilang sistema, dun lang tayo nakatutok. Okay? Followed by the third phase, which is algorithm development. Here, we develop a step-by-step procedure to solve the problem using the specification given in the previous phase. This phase is very important for program development. That means we write the solution in step-by-step statements. Again, if we break down all the problems or the problem indicated by our client, mas madali nating ma-utilize at madali tayo makakapag-focus dun sa dapat maging function nung ide-develop nating system. So, later on, magbibigay tayo ng example din na pwedeng potential approach in this phase. Next, after algorithm development, we are about to start coding and also designing. Here, this phase uses a programming language to write or implement actual programming instructions for the steps defined in the previous phase. In this phase, we construct actual program. That means, we write the program to solve the given problem using programming languages such as BASIC or Visual Basic, C, C++, C#, Java, or any programming languages. Sabi nga natin kanina, mapa web yan, mapa desktop system yan, or offline system, at mobile development systems. Okay? So, next, testing and debugging. Here, we check whether the code written in previous step or in the previous step is solving the specified problem or not. That means, we test the program whether it is solving the problem for various input data or data values or not. We also test that whether it is providing the desired output or not. So, once na sa tingin natin, functional and ready na yung created system natin based dun sa required demand ng client natin, which is to solve the client's problem, not necessarily na smooth or magiging matagumpay agad siya 100% after ng development. Meron tayong pagdadaan ng phase muna na kung saan dahil medyo complex ang pagbubuo ng isang system, maaaring may makaligtaan tayo kahit napakamaliit na detalye lang or napakaliit na detalye na kung saan kung mababaliwala natin siya, hindi pa rin efficient ang magiging function ng system na na-build natin. Kaya kailangang i-test ito. Kailangang subukan ng it's either the end user or future end user, or kung meron tayong team, pwedeng meron tayong tester para ma-verify niya, ma-check na yung specific function to solve that particular problem na i-voice out ng client natin is talagang nasusolusyonan. Or else, babalik tayo sa coding phase para ma-verify or ma-check yung mga natagpuang errors. That is to debug it. Okay? and finally, maintenance. So, in this phase,